Hi students. Oh My Darling Clementine offers a strum that is in 3/4. Unlike Buffalo Gals, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh My Darling Clementine is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. It's 3 beats to the measure instead of 4, and the downbeat is always the accented, and then 2 and 3 are unaccented. Now, in this strum, I suggested that instead of doing that, it be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Let me demonstrate that in a more close-up angle. So it would be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. And I mentioned the 3 and on beat 3 propels you to the next measure. And it would be 1, ready, strum. Let me just stop with the singing and just demonstrate it slowly. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, Okay, hopefully that'll help. The strumming was the main. You may want to do the strum 50 times just on the C. And then it'll become like automatic pilot when you start adding the G's. Okay, more to come.